In this video, I'm going to show you how to change last modified creation date, access date of any file and folders on your PC. To do this, just open any browser you like, then go on Google, then search bulk file changer. Click on the first link. When you go to the website, scroll down. Here, that's where you download. So there's a 32-bit file and a 64-bit. So I'm going to download the 64-bit from my computer. Download it and extract it. Then open the program. It will look like this. Let's take a file for an example. This picture over here. We want to change the date. Just go on Properties. We want to change the creation and modify and access these 3 points. So as you see, it's on June 13, 2025. So let's see if we can change this date. Just take your file, throw it in here. Then click on the file, on this little timer over here. That's where you can change the date. So let's say I'll change the date to November 1, 2024. We change here to December 2024 1. And then that says we change it to 11 December. Then after that, make sure you do not click on time and specify in GMT. You do not have to mark this. After this is done, just go and do it. Then that's it. Then let's see if our file has changed. Properties. As you see, it has changed the November to 1, 2024 and the modified date. And you're done.